What is going on, everyone? Welcome to this video. I want to talk about why I left Complete Savings that was paying me £250 a month. I've probably earned over £1,000 from Complete Savings since I started my Amazon journey in end of 2019, I think it was. I started my Amazon journey, and I have earned a lot from Complete Savings. Yes, Complete Savings, it is the one. But I recently deactivated my account without getting deactivated or suspended myself, which is the normal issue sort of here. I want to explain why. I think Complete Savings is kind of a waste of time unless you want to put the time into going and getting it yourself. Let me explain what I mean. Complete Savings seems to work for around about 2 months. Now, not always, but 90% of the time I'm hearing from sellers the same as the experience that I've had in 2 accounts in the past. I've had 2, maybe 3 accounts in the past. They pay out really, really well, 10%. It's really advertising, it's really endearing. You think to yourself, oh great, yeah, 10%, and they pay to you. You don't have to wait a month usually. Usually they pay you within 15, 20 days, straight to your bank account, no ties. What's the problem with this? The problem is that after a month or 2 months of really good, possibly 3 if you're lucky months, unfortunately after a while they stop paying. Now this is what we're finding. This is what I found in my business, my guys have found. This is what other sellers have found sometimes. Share your experience with them below. They either deactivate your account and suspend you after 3 or 4 months, maybe 6 months max, or within 2 to 3 to 4 months, if you're lucky, what they will actually do is stop tracking your stuff and stop paying out for stuff. So in the end, I ended up putting, it's happened loads of times now, I ended up putting loads of items through that I was sourcing from my sites, and unfortunately, it wasn't working out. I was not getting any payouts. Although it was tracking on the actual account, I was not getting any payouts for that stuff from Complete Savings, so I missed out. And I missed out on Complete Savings on that stuff, which I could have got cashback from Top Cashback. So what do I focus on now? What cashback sites do I focus on now? I do Top Cashback as a main one. That's my main cashback site. It's not as much, but it's reliable and it's reseller friendly as far as I'm aware. I also do Delivery Deals. Delivery Deals is great. Delivery Deals is it's maxed to £1,000 a year, which is quite frustrating, but I've had regular checks from them and most of the payments seem to clear. That, along with Airtime Rewards, is the free cashback sites that I currently use. Quidco, I have got money in Quidco. I have used some of that, but I just tend to use Top Cashback because I get the Chrome extension, so it's just easier. But you could definitely use Quidco as well. I haven't heard any problems with Quidco. But as for Complete Savings, that is why I got rid of them. If you want to start opening new accounts in different addresses, different cards and stuff, you could do that. It's just quite a lot of work, and every couple of months you're probably going to have to open a new account in order to do that. But if you want to do that, be my guest. I was earning 250 quid a month from that, but unfortunately it's just too hit and miss messy for me to start messing around every month with that. But be my guest if you want to do that. That's why I stopped using Complete Savings, and that's what cashback sites I use now. So I hope that video has helped, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, please, if you can. That would be fantastic, but only if you want to.